Hey, it's Yolanda Shoshana with this week's Oracle card reading. How are you? Let's close the door on last week and wave a big old bye-bye. I hope it was full of love and light. And if it wasn't, it's all good because we get to start over. We get to start anew. We're going to open up a new door and see what is in store for us. This reading is a little bit different. I am using a Lenormand deck, and it's basically a message that is coming to you this week. And I've already channeled and pulled the cards and gotten information. I used my new crystal ball as well. My crystal skull is here with me as well. So I've got a lot of energy cooking and rocking. And I pulled 5 cards to get this message. And it's good for men and women. And it looks like it's a message of love for the week. And I'm going to break it down how I pull the cards. If you look at any Lenormand deck, the cards are always the same. There's always going to be a bear, a woman, a 4-leaf clover, and all that good stuff. And basically, it's the combo that you pull on how the reading goes. You always look at the cards in association with each other. So I'm going to tell you what my first card is to my last, and I'll tell you what I got from this. So the first card I pulled was the bear card. And the bear is about force, something forceful coming, forcing its way in. So that was the first card. Then I pulled the Rider card, which is good news. We always love good news. That's how we roll. So you have good news and good tidings and good fortune coming your way. And then, though, what's interesting is I pulled the Fox card. Now that is where it got a little, The Fox card is a charmer, somebody sly and slick in your life. So there's somebody you should be looking out for. But it's all good. This person isn't going to come and bring drama or bad news or take you for all it's worth, because the card next to it was the 4-leaf clover. So maybe they're just a charming person, and that's fine, but there's good news attached to it. And last but not least, I pulled the Man card, being romantic. So basically, this reading looks like it's a week of love, which makes complete sense. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. And people have been thinking about love and about commitment. So it looks like you have somebody that's either going to put a ring on it or make a commitment, or you're about to meet somebody that's going to do all those things. He may be a little charming, and you may think, oh, I don't know. He's a ladies man, or he's a man's man. However you roll, it's all good. But it's going to be okay, because at the end of the day, too, eventually those people, a lot of them like to settle down. So this is really a message of love. And if you're a guy looking at this, maybe you've decided to put a ring on it and to decide to do a full-blown commitment, and high five to you. So I love this reading because I always love love. And once again, first card was the bear. Then I pulled some good news, which is on the way. And then, though, is where we got a little, we all like charming people. They're good and easy to fall for. And then, though, the 4-leaf clover kicked in. We always love good news. And then we have the romance, and we have the love, like possibly a commitment. And I love this. So, and those of you who ended up engaged last night, congratulations. Or somebody said they love you for the first time, congratulations. Love is such a beautiful thing, and I love it. And if you need a wedding officiant in New York, I officiate weddings. If you also are questioning, well, where's the love of my life? Where he at? I do Lenormand card reading with a silhouette deck, all focused on love. So you can contact me for that, to schedule that. And have an amazing week.